Hello, my name is Ana Rodriguez. I'm a student English Phonetics. In this video, I'm going to explain three symbols of the consonant sound from the IPA alphabet. We start with the symbol. This symbol is a consonant. Your sound is S. The point of articulation is interdental. Its mode of articulation is fricative. That is, on the tip of the tongue. This photo, on the tip of the tongue, it goes between the teeth. You can see in this video, and you can see. Symbol incomplete sentence. Can you throw the ball to me, please? You listened the throw the ball to me, please. Throw. Second example. The earth is currently very populated. And for the example, we put the tongue between the teeth and a little air comes out. And pronunciation exercise. Example: sing, sing, and souls. Continue. This is a consonant, and your sound is and its point of articulation is bilabial, and its mode of articulation is nasal diff. That is, sound come out of the nasal cavity. You can see in this photo, the sound comes out of the nasal cavity, and your lip get like this. For example, simple incomplete sentence. I need a lot of money. And I want very fresh lemon juice. And in this example, I understand in this example, we close our mouth and make a sound like Pronunciation exercise. Example: sunrise, remember. And finally, with this example, is a consonant, and your sound is and this point of articulation is bilabial. That is, the lip need have contact. You can see. And the lip touch of articulate and produce the sound of the consonant. Being a bit tough. You can see. Simple incomplete sentence. No need to spend that much. Can you stop? You listen, spend, and stop. Second example: the apple is delicious. It has benefits and vitamins. The apple is delicious, has benefits and vitamins. And for the pronunciation exercise, I understand. For this one, a little air comes out. Example: put, and peach. Thanks for watching the video.